Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. Today, this is another live trade kind of thing, right? So initially, right, my first trade of the day was um was on this, right? It hit I think a 1 hour fair value gap. Yeah, what was this? Hit a 1 hour fair value gap, saw some nice rejections. So it was about here. Where was it? About here that I entered, I think somewhere around here, looking to take out some lows. Didn't hit my first take profit, was about it, but then stopped me out at break even, right? Then boom, shoots up. This is an inverse, I think 4 hour fair value gap. Okay, let's just go back to the hourly. Oh, this is actually a daily. This is a daily inverse fair value gap. Okay, go back to the 5 minute, right? So then goes back up into this daily inverse and completely just blows us out, takes out lower lows. And I missed this. I completely missed this, and I felt so shit about it. Right? I felt completely shit about it. Then shoots back up. I thought it was gonna like stop at a fair value gap, maybe here, maybe there. Nah, just goes back into the daily inverse and sweeps liquidity there. Right? So I was like, okay, what happened? Okay, so first of all, where did I enter now? So see that I entered, think here. I entered. Sorry, no, I didn't. Because this was the 1 minute um order block. But the last time I entered off of a 1 minute order block, I got fucked. So I was like, no, I'm gonna stay patient, forsake some profits for better confirmation, right? So, if I had entered here, I would have been so much better off. I was like, okay, cool. What happens? We go here, bum bum bum. Break structure on the 1 minute. So I entered. And then we broke structure on the 5 minute. So then I entered over there. And my stop loss is somewhere here. Because I wasn't gonna risk that much, but since it's like such a distance, I'm risking like $80, I think, to make 210. Which is, I don't really like that. I don't really like this trade, but I'm looking to take out this low and then hopefully this low, or if we can't get to that, maybe take it out at this fair value gap. I don't know. So we are currently in a 30-minute fair value gap, which is making me nervous because it's literally really, really close to my entry point. But this is now an inverse fair value gap. I mean, it could be if it respects it, which I hope it does, because I have a feeling it's going to respect this 30-minute fair value gap. So I mean, I could have targeted all these lows down here, but I'm at a point where I would rather secure profits rather than risk trades, if you know what I mean. Like I'm trying to keep it as little risky as possible, which is working. It's working really well. Since I started doing this and I actually locked in, I think I've had like a 70% win rate over like a week, which is not long at all, but it's a huge improvement from like the average of like 30 to like 20% win rate that I've had in the past. My risk to reward ratio has gone down because of that, but is what it is. So I'm gonna pause this now and see if it hits our stop loss because I haven't set my stop loss at break even yet. Um, but it's looking promising. It's looking promising at least for first TP, which would be $80, and then I'd set my stop loss to break even. So I'm gonna pause and I'll be back soon. Alright guys, it's 11:20. I forgot to carry on this shit. But basically hit off first TP and then reverse back to break even. So it was an $81 trade, which was pretty good, I won't lie. Then I may have made a really stupid decision. Went all the way up here, swept liquidity again, broke structure, and 5 minutes before market closed, I was like, you know what, fuck it. Put my stop loss there, put my first take profit there, my second one there, and just fucking see where it goes, bro. I may have been stupid, but I risked like $30, so most comes to worst, you know. At least I don't even know, bro. Anyway, cheers, guys.